Treasure hunting SWPA here. I'm out here for another treasure hunting adventure. Let's see what we can find. Brought the Garrett Ace 350 today and to give it another test and see what it will do in a more trashy area. Treasure hunting SWPA here. It's been about 10 minutes and my first target is a bullet. It's been a little while since I filmed anything. There's a lot of trash and I'm not having quite as much luck as I was hunting a nice clean yard as I am here at a junkie spot. But I just got an odd signal here. It was kind of a coin but kind of not. And I just flipped the plug and I see that. That's not the coin, but it looks like there was one pressed against there. Yeah. So now if I can just find where it went, I gotta get the pinpointer. Maybe it isn't. Oh, there it is right there. Or actually, that might be a shotgun thing. No? Or maybe it is. I think it's a shotgun brass. What the hell is that? Too big to be a penny. That's a shot, or that might be a button. That's what that is. That's a nice flat button. Sweet. There's a little shank on the back. Hey, that's awesome. Doesn't look like there's anything on it. Hey, that's really cool. That's only like my second flat button. It's pretty thin. Alright, let me see what else I can find here. Treasure hunting SWPA here. I switched to jewelry mode and I found this little piece of a name. I don't know if it's off of something or if it's was like part of a necklace, but that's all that's left of it. That's all that I can find. You can tell it was broke a long time ago. Doesn't look like silver or anything like that. But, alright, slow going here. I'm not finding a whole lot. Why, you dirty son of a bitch. That is a pull tab with a big root growing through it. Are you trying to tell me that nobody has ever sat on these rocks and looked at that view and dropped it out of their pockets. I mean, that's a throne. That's a natural throne right there. And I didn't find shit around it. Not a signal. I find that damn hard to believe. Treasure hunting SWPA here. Man, I'm having a rough day. I haven't found much of anything, to be honest. But I don't know if I mentioned I'm at the train station again. But up there, you can't really tell on this video, but where the train station was, the ground level is a lot higher than this little area right next to it. So I'm thinking they might have filled that all in with that river rock. So I came down here in this lower part next to it. So far I found a pull tab and a can, but I just found a coin right there. Wasn't giving off the best signal either. I kind of thought I was expecting another pull tab, but it is a coin. Let me rub it upon the pants to see if I can tell what it is. I think I'm seeing a headdress. Oh, god damn it, I just made it worse. Well, I can't see that, but I'm pretty sure for a second there I saw a headdress. So it might be an IHP. I'm not positive, but we shall see later when I clean it up. Another thing that's really pissing me off today is I have seen at least 20 road hunters come by here. They come by with their windows down, creeping along. They got their binoculars. These lazy f***s, they were probably never in shape in their entire lives. Right now there's probably a 12-year-old girl sitting in a tree stand somewhere freezing her ass off. She's more badass than these old lazy bastards have ever been. If you have to drive along a road and shoot a deer out of your truck, you should just give up on everything because you're stupid and you're lazy. Rant over. Just found this surface find here. It's a Winston Select little metal sign there. Probably not that old. Oh, 1992. That's still pretty cool. I'm going to take that. It's 3 o'clock and I should be leaving about now. But I just got a penny signal. It said it was 8 inches deep. I thought, there's no way in hell. There's too much garbage in here. I've been being fooled all day. But I dug down about 8 inches. I mean, that is a deep hole. And there's a penny. I'd say that's a Abraham Lincoln on the front there. My god, it's so deep though. Yep, 1 cent. That's a wheat. The old oatmeal penny. Why is it always the front that never cleans up? I'll have to get the date off at home if I can. I'm going to try to stay a few more minutes and then I gotta go. Last dig for the day, and it's a license plate from a trailer. 1994. And I'm getting the hell out of here. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.